we are from Parliament, we are not just only doing this inspection for the purpose of the environment and your well-being, but we are also interested in your future, and the future begins actually here. It is here where you begin to map up who you want to be. If you want to be tomorrow MEC Mosenogi, who is the MEC for Sports, Arts and Culture, there's no way that you are going to be naughty, you are going to be playful, you are not going to be serious in class, you are not going to study, and you are going to be on drugs, gangsterism, bullying other kids, not disrespecting parents. You will not arrive where she is, or where I am, or where Menier is, and so on. We want future doctors, we want future presidents, future ministers, many other things, and this is where it begins. And you are at that preparatory stage. Next year you will be going to your grade 8. And sooner than that you'll be on matric, sooner than that you'll be at the university. It must be your ambition that I want to become something else. And please get focused, respect your parents, not only grandparents here, but even at home, respect your parents. Lauka. Yes.